This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, March 16th, 2011. Let's first take a look at a satellite picture from last evening. As you can see, the upper level low off to the east over the Virginia's, Pennsylvania, a new storm system over in the western part of the country that will affect the state of Iowa by this weekend. Watch warning map shows the number of winter weather advisories and winter storm watches and warnings over the Rockies and into the Pacific Northwest, flood watches over North Dakota and Montana. QPF chart. This is over the next 5 days. This is through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock. You can see the state of Iowa covered in dark green. That's pretty much a quarter to a half inch of rain. Most of this will fall this weekend, as you can see on this chart. Here's the 0Z GFS model run. This is at 1 p.m. today. You can see a zonal flow pretty much over the country with little ripples along it down at the surface. Southwesterly flow. Temperatures will warm after a cool start. 50s to with 60s over the southern parts of the state. We head into Thursday, and as you can see, a low pressure system over about the Les Hills in western Iowa. There could be a scattered shower. Not a lot of rain, pretty much minuscule at best. By Friday, early afternoon at 1 p.m., you can see there's still a chance of a shower around, but as you can see, there's no storm system or front, so it'll be scattered if any. We move ahead to Sunday morning. You can see pretty much the same way, southerly flow, storm system off to the west, so chance of rain pretty much for the next couple of days. We go to Monday. The next Monday, you can see a trough out to the west of the state with a southwesterly flow aloft. Down at the surface, low forming over eastern Colorado. So again, chance of showers and maybe a thunderstorm at that time. And there looks to be a warm front over the state at that time, so that could be of interest. Here's Tuesday afternoon. That storm has moved off. There could be some residual moisture, maybe a shower or so on that day. And then on Wednesday, you can see a week from today, still some rain, but it should be clearing by that point as most of the moisture is to the east. Out into Voodoo country, here's Sunday the 27th. That looks a big vortex over the state of Iowa down at the surface. That could be very stormy across the state with a 980 millibar low over Sioux City, so we could see some action that day if this pans out. And at the end of the forecast period on the 31st of March, the end of the month, a zonal flow over the most of the country, little ripples, one to the north and down below at the surface, some moisture here and there, and possibly some cold air advection, so winter may not be fully done with the state yet. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We may have another one tomorrow.